Welcome to JH. I have been investigating a hair treatment called Pp405. This is a legitimate, research-backed product currently under development by a company named Pp405. The core mechanism involves stimulating dormant hair follicles to become active again, which differs from standard treatments that only slow down hair loss. Initial clinical trials demonstrated that participants saw improved hair growth within a few months, and the product appeared safe during these tests. That being said, Pp405 is not yet available to the public. Any online listings claiming to sell Pp405 are almost certainly fraudulent, so please be careful. While the research is promising, it is still undergoing testing and lacks long-term data. It will likely be most effective for individuals in the early stages of thinning rather than those with advanced hair loss. Online feedback is currently mixed. Many are excited about this new scientific approach, while others remain cautious since it hasn't reached the market. Ultimately, Pp405 itself is a genuine scientific endeavor, not a scam. However, you cannot buy it yet, and any current sellers are illegitimate. If you are managing hair loss right now, it is safer to use approved methods while keeping an eye on Pp405 as it moves through further clinical evaluations.